So, you want to get into the world of cubing, huh? Perhaps you should maybe start somewhere smaller. Now first, you need to find a piece that has white in it. In this case, we'll look at the blue, white and orange piece, and we'll hold it in the bottom right. Now we're going to look for other pieces that have similar colors to these. So you can see this piece has white, but it has red and green. It doesn't have the blue and orange like what we're looking for. So now we found one that has blue, white and red. Now the way you solve pieces like this is that since it's in the bottom layer, we'll take it to the top, into the top layer. All the pieces must end up in the top layer. Then we look at our original piece. We can see that the blue is on this side. So we'll take this piece and we'll turn it until this blue and this blue are very close together, and the white can be. Then you do the 4 moves to solve it in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just like that, we've put the piece in. Now, fortunately, this piece somehow went in. In other cases, that won't happen. So now we got to look for a piece on the top that has white, and we found it. And we also see that it has green and red. So now we'll put it next to the pieces that has white, green and red. You see? And then we'll do the 4 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just like that, the first layer is complete. Now, in order to solve a 2x2, there are 2 algorithms that you will need to learn, and they're very simple. The first one goes like this. Turn the right side up, push it, then you push the top layer away. Then you pull your right hand down, then you push this back. Then you do it again. Up, left, down, back. 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 The next algorithm that I'm going to teach you goes like this. You hold the cube like this, then you turn the top side to the left, then you pick your right side up, you turn it away, pick your left side up, you push it away, and your right side goes down, then this goes back and this comes down. And again, left side away, right side up, you push that away, turn this up, you push that away, you pull this down, turn this back, and you pull it down again. And one more time, right that way, up, away, down, back, down. Now, before I teach you how to solve the top layer in a 2x2, I need to teach you what is meant by pieces in the right spot, but not twisted correctly. If we look at this 3x3, this orange and green and yellow piece is in the right spot and it's twisted correctly. It's solved right. If we turn the cube, if we look at this green, yellow and red piece, right? This green, yellow and red piece, you'll notice that it's not solved like this one. But is it in the right spot? Yes, it is, because if you just twist it, it'll get solved. It's same with this here. It's in the right spot, but it's not twisted correctly. If we twist it, it gets solved. Same with this one, and the same with this one. So you may be wondering, what does that have to do with the 2x2? So now you know that the first layer is done. When I say that a piece is in the correct spot but not twisted properly, what I mean is that if I look at this white, green and red piece, that's white, green and red piece, we can see that this top piece has green and red and yellow. You can see that the green and red is in the right spot because it has 2 matching colors and one isn't matching, but that's normal because yellow is opposite white. So this piece is in the correct spot, but it's not twisted properly. If I look at this piece here, without turning the cube, we can see that it's not in the right spot. Yes, it has orange on it, Yes, this piece is orange, so does this one. But does it have blue and green? Does it have blue on the bottom? No, it has blue on the top and the green is on the bottom. So you know this piece is not in the right spot. Now if we look at this one here, you can see that yes, orange is matching, but green and blue, they still don't match. So this piece is also not in the right spot. Now this one. This piece has yellow, blue and red. This piece has white, blue and red. Therefore it's in the right spot but also not twisted correctly. Now on a 2x2. There are only 3 cases in which we can get. Either only one piece is in the correct spot, or 2 are in the correct spot, or all 4 are in the correct spot. Now let me teach you what to do in each of those cases. Let's start off with 1 being the correct spot. What you'll do is you'll turn the piece so that it's in the correct spot, and then you'll do that algorithm I taught you at the beginning, the second one. So that algorithm goes like this: turn away, up, away, up, back, down, back, down. Now if we look at this piece has orange, green and white. Now this one on the top also has orange, green and it has yellow, so it's in the right spot. If we look at this one now, it has white, green and red. This piece also has yellow, green and red, so it's in the right spot. Now if we turn again, you can see that this one has white, blue and red. This piece has yellow, blue and red, so it's in the right spot. And this piece has blue, orange, white, and this piece here has blue, orange, yellow, so it's in the right spot. So now you have successfully put all the pieces in the right spot. That is case 1, when one piece is in the correct spot. Now this is a case where only 2 pieces are solved. This piece has white, blue and red. This piece has yellow, blue and red. On the side here, you can see that it has white, green and red, and it has yellow, green and red. However, these 2 do not match, as this is white, green and orange, but this is yellow, blue and orange. And this one here also doesn't match because of white, orange, blue and yellow, orange, green. So what you do when you have 2 pieces solved is, you treat it like you have 1 piece solved. You make it into 1 piece solved. So you look at the ones that are not solved. Like this one has white, orange, green. You'll turn it above to the piece that it matches. And then now you're back to your case where you have 1 piece solved, and you'll do that algorithm. And just like that, all pieces are put into the right spot. Now we come to actually solving the cube. Once you have put all your pieces in all of the right spots, you turn the whole thing upside down and you hold the white layer on top. So this is how you do it, and pay careful attention because a lot of people mess this step up. The whole cube looks like it's getting unsolved, but just trust the process. You take your 2 fingers, you hold this bottom right corner and you do not let go of it. So you hold the cube there. Then you're going to do that algorithm I taught you at the beginning, the one you also used to solve the first layer. So you'll go 1, you're going to do it until this yellow piece faces the bottom. So you're going to hold this like this so that you don't lose it. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just like that, the yellow is facing the bottom. Now, can you see the top? It's unsolved. Just don't mix it up. Just hold on. Trust the process. So what you do is you take, now that these 2 fingers are here, you take your other 2 fingers and you put them up here. Then you turn the cube along. Can you see this one's yellow is already facing the bottom? So then you carry on. Then you put your 2 fingers here as well again. Then you carry on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go, it's solved. Then you do the same thing again. Hold on to here. Then you turn the bottom. Then you do the same 4 moves again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But then the cube is solved. So now I'm going to do some example solves so that you guys can see what might potentially happen. So what you do is, I'm going to focus on this piece here. This white, blue and red. Now I'm going to look for other pieces that have that color. This one has white, green, and orange, and this one has white, green, and red. So now the pieces are in the bottom layer. We can't have that. We have to put it in the top layer. So I'm going to turn that up. So now it's in the top layer. So I'm going to put it there. Then I'm going to do the 4 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it gets solved. Then we look in the top layer for another piece. So this one here. Orange, white, and blue. So I'm going to put that above next to the blue. I'm going to go from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all. Now, this piece can go in here. Now, I'm going to teach you. So hopefully you've solved the cube once at least by now. So now I'm going to teach you the left hand 4 moves. It's same as the right, just opposite. So it goes up, but right, down, back, up, right, down, back, up, right, down, back. It's the same thing, just from the left hand side, which can help you solve the cube faster. Now we look at the top layer. I can see that if I turn the cube once, this piece is in line, in place, this piece is not, this piece is not, this piece is not. So we have a case where it's only one piece that's in place. So I'm going to do that algorithm. Turn it away, up. Push that away, up. Then bring it back, down, back, down. And just like that, all the pieces are solved. So I'm going to turn the cube upside down and do the algorithm. So hold on to your tight. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I know that the top is messed up, but I'm not going to panic. I'm going to hold the cube still, steady. Hold the top, turn the bottom. That one's solved. Turn the bottom. That one's not solved. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just like that, the cube is solved.